Oh. All right, back to the content. Spoiler alert, last night we did not play the other escape room. Today we are leaving Hamburg, going to Berlin on a bus, but first pretzels.
But before that,
Town hall.
yes, then Berlin, or then pretzels,
Then pretzels.
then Berlin.
Then Berlin. FlixBus from Hamburg to Berlin, and it's kind of quiet, so we're gonna do this ASMR style. Welcome to the bus tour. So, first of all, we have our 2 seats. As you can see here, 1, 2. I don't know what kind of drink fits in there, but I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Handles. These are affectionately known as your no crap handles. And then, of course, the window. If you want to close your shades, you can do that. Well, guess that's it. So, see ya in 3 hours and 15 minutes in Berlin.
Three hours later.
Hey, welcome to my crib.
Okay, so we got here in Berlin yesterday.
We did.
And we did not do a great job of like filling you in on what we did because 1, we were rushed, my fault. 2, it started pouring down rain, like absolutely hailing. Yeah, so
Everything.
that was pretty bad.
There was like a windstorm.
And then from there,
yesterday we played the number 5 escape room in the world. It was very good. I enjoyed it a lot more than the number 1 room. Then we ate at Five Guys for dinner.
Yeah, we told we were not gonna say that, but here's why.
We went to the mall next to our hotel. Everything was closed. Everything. We tried to go to the grocery store to get some things for breakfast. We got kicked out of the grocery store because it was 9:02. 2 minutes after they apparently closed. There were no hours on the door, so we didn't know that. Anyway, we got to go back to the grocery store this morning. We got in a little sweat sesh so that we cannot feel as bad about what we're doing today, which is DIY food tour. We have several foods that we would like to check off of our list. So we're gonna do that.
Here we are at the Marhiki Market Hall. I definitely butchered that for sure, but we're gonna check out some different stalls such as flowers, food, that's most important, and different little souvenirs and knickknacks. So we'll see what we've got going on inside. So first we have a bockwurst. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. Kind of hard to cut, but it was boiled. I'm just gonna take a bite off the end of it. Pretty tough. Mainly just this casing is what's tough, but the inside's pretty good. It just kind of tastes like a better version of a hot dog that you would get at a store. So pretty good. And then here we have carton fuffle, which I believe is a potato salad with what looks to be like bacon and some type of herbs inside. So we'll see about that. It's good. I didn't expect it to be cold, but I guess, is that what potato salad is? Yeah. So yeah. So I would say success on the first two things.
Alright, so in the dessert arena we have first a rhubarb streusel. I can't say it in German, so I'm not going to try. Looks interesting on the sides. It's good. It doesn't taste like it was freshly made, which is fine. But yeah, I mean, it's if you've ever had streusel before. You know, tastes like that. The rhubarb is good. The top layer is crunchy. The middle is soft, and the bottom is soft pastry as well. It's good. Next, this is like an apple, almost like layer cake with like a glaze on top. We don't have any utensils, so God's utensils. I don't know how I feel about it. It's cold, which is fine, but it's like really cold, and the apple, I don't know. We'll have to try again. Love the top and the bottom. Just not sure how I feel about the middle.
Which is the apple.
The apple, yeah. The rhubarb one's definitely better. To me. So now we have Black Forest cake, which to my understanding is chocolate cake with some sort of cherry component to it. This one has like a cherry filling on the bottom, and it also has kind of like a weird crust, which I don't understand, but anyway. It's cake, so I'm happy. It tastes like a Swiss cake roll. Alright, so we're currently in Berlin's largest square, Alexanderplatz. Most people affectionately know it as Alex. Up until the 1850s, this was a military parade and exercise ground. And then after that, it started becoming a hub for transportation and shopping. And so now it is a central meeting location. It's also still a hub of transportation, and there are tons of shops, movie theaters, and fun things that you can do around the square. Okay, so we went back to the hotel, took a little nap, and now we are at Sheer Schnitzel. So I got the chili con schnitzel, and Ryan got the hamburger schnitzel. Bit of a cliffhanger there with dinner. It was great. Sheer Schnitzel is sheer delight. No, we really liked it. When Ryan ordered the hamburger schnitzel, I'm pretty sure that's not what you were envisioning.
No, it came with a fried egg.
And onions.
And onions, which is not at all a hamburger. But it was still really good. Still not sure what meat was in the schnitzel. Probably gonna have to look that up. It's kind of like a pork. I think it was like pork. Yeah. They
were out of the Wiener Schnitzel, which is what we were intending to get. But I think that what we got was really good. So
their pommes frites were good.
Yes, they
AKA
were.
Fries. That's the end of our DIY food tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Stop looking at me. I look like I have ears.
You're like a little Eeyore.
I actually identify with Eeyore a lot, so anyway.
I guess I didn't expect it to be cold. I don't know, that's what I do with my food.
That puppy! It's so little.
He's literally been barking for a straight minute.
What you have to say
To whose people? Our parents?
Our people.
Comment down below what we should have eaten.